A very, very good afternoon to all of you. Those right at the back, can you hear me? Okay. Um, Before I begin, the first thing I would like to do is thanks are in order. And my heartfelt gratitude. I'm feeling very humbled. I'm feeling great because I had done a session last year for JBN. Some of you were here. It was a short thing. I was asked to open the ice-breaking session, get the things going, and that was the end of it. And then I get a call this year again, and I felt, I cannot express that in words, so let's leave it at that. Thank you very much to the Apex team at JBN to think about me. And a very, very special thanks to the Ahmedabad team for their very warm hospitality. It's been perfect. So before I begin the session, let me tell you a very small story. When I got a call, I was asked, you have to do a networking session. So I said, okay, what exactly is the key takeaway or the end result that you want out of it? Saying we are going to be around 300 and everybody has to meet everybody. And the first thing I did, I put it into ChatGPT and it gave me some 4,400 something combinations. I said, usko 5 घंटे लगेंगे, मेरे पास उतना time है नहीं, हमारे किसी के पास भी. So we are going to try and make this as interactive as is possible. You will need to move from table to table. Is that okay with you? Amras kulfi and I think dry fruit halwa, these need movement. Okay? So we'll be doing that. और बीच-बीच में हम एक एक्टिविटी करते रहेंगे which is not necessarily related to networking but we might just have a takeaway from it. जैसे हम परफ्यूम खरीदने जाते हैं तो बीच में कॉफ़ी नहीं देते हमें beans to smell, so that it changes, something like that. We will also do an activity. Are you okay with this format? Yes. Okay. Now about networking. Can I tell you a story? My story? And as to why I feel networking is not just an exchange of business cards, although you must exchange business cards, that is just one part of it. Pre-COVID, I had gone to something called a mixer, networking mixer, people mix each other, that was a new term to me, Friday, Saturday. And on Sunday, I sat with around 300 cards with me and I couldn't put a face to the name that I read on it. And then I said, to kya fayda hua? It is just a card in the Rolodex. However, whoever I had interacted with, I had spoken with, I had asked questions to, those remained. Kahin to humne dekha hai. And people you meet for a very, very brief time, you will remember them at some point of time. And this happened last year. This I'm here is also because of networking. Although I had never ever thought that I will be addressing a Jito section because I'm not a Jain. Okay? I met Divya Momaya, who's a Jito member and she has a company, Mentor My Board. Her co-founder Neha is also here. And we were on a different forum and they do independent directorships and all that. They help make independent directors. So I didn't have anything common with that. So there was no ask or anything like that. But we vibed and we got along well. And then one day, Divya called up and says, would you like to do an ice-breaking session? Sirf aadhe ghante ka hai, chalega kya? It was not very far from home and it was something I like to do. So I said, okay, I will do. And she says, just coordinate with one Mr. Aradhya Taraiya. I said, okay. And I've been speaking with him. That time DP didn't show any picture of him. There was something else. And when I reached the venue, I went searching for Mr. Aradhya Taraiya and we looked at each other instantly and said, we've met before. But we couldn't understand where we had met. We had met pre-COVID on one of the projects, just for 2 days, not more than that. But we registered. This registration is very, very important in terms of networking, that you remember people. And that is why some activities where you interact more than just exchanging a business card. Fine? Okay, all set for that? Ready to move? Yes. Okay. So on your tables, you will find a soup bowl which has slips in it. Wait. Let me just complete, please. Okay? You don't have, somebody please give, there are extra bowls over there. People promised. आपने रखा नहीं है बीच वाले इसमें, मैम के टेबल पे दीजिए एक. सूप नहीं है हमारा, कैरी के रस के बाद व्हाट सूप सर. हाँ, जस्ट और कौन से टेबल पे नहीं है बता दीजिए. ओके, so in that there will be slips of paper. Each one is supposed to have one. Now everybody is curious कि तुमको क्या मिला. Okay, everybody will have different, some will have the same. People pay attention. Okay, you will need to pick up one. You may or may not show as a different thing. Now the seating I want, this is important. I have estimated 10 people to a table and there are 10 chairs. So please sit in the same manner. And people are sitting with people they know. We want to break that. Okay? I would request you to move away and one by one, I will give you a hint. Tables 1 to 4 have the numbers written on their slips. Okay? But I will give you, the rest of the tables will all then understand which table they have to go to. Is that fine? Does everybody have a slip in their hands, even people who are not sitting at tables? Aapko slip mila last? Okay. Everybody has to have, in case if you are falling. There will be extra slips. I have 300 slips. Huh? Okay. Please, if you do not have a slip, raise your hand. Okay. So can we have the slide coming up? People, please get up and just move away from your tables. Take your belongings with you, especially your diary or something to note. You will be moving tables all along, so please carry your belongings with you. Please carry your belongings with you. Please carry your belongings with you. We have table number 1 right over here to my left. Okay? And table number 1. Oh, sorry. My mistake. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Number 1 is here to my right. मुझे left right का थोड़ा problem है. Cabbies always curse me because I give them the wrong direction. हाँ, that will be the best. Good solution. Okay, so table number 1. And we have the sweet that is dipped in syrup with white balls. Comes from Bengal. The rasgullas are on table 1. People with a rasgulla slip, please come to table 1. Rasgulla on table 1, please be seated. Okay. रसगुल्ले का ऑपोजिट वाला भाई गुलाब जामुन on table 2. All gulab jamuns please come on table 2. Move please. All gulab jamuns come on table 2. Can we move a little fast please? Okay. Table number 3. I sparkle. What is the name of the sweet? I sparkle. चमचम. Table 3 is चमचम. ऐसे चाहिए. Okay. Table 4 comes from Maharashtra, Puranpoli. Holi नजदीक आई है. Table number 4 is here, sir. Table number 4 is here. Patience. आपको मालूम नहीं कहाँ बैठना है. Okay. अब टेबल नंबर 5 से इतना नहीं है. मैं चक्रव्यूह की तरह गोल हूँ. जलेबी. Table number 5 is जलेबी. Okay, table number 5 is jalebi. Your table numbers are listed here. Okay. Table number 6. मेरे नाम पे और एक मेरा इंग्रेडिएंट ये टेबल पे था. ये क्या होता है? काजू कतली. Table number 6, काजू कतली. Table number 7. This is very interesting. I'm using my own example. My surname is Kher. Add one E in between and that is the sweet. Kheer. Table number 7 is kheer. Okay. टेबल नंबर 8, मेरा नाम का मतलब है मैसेज, संदेश. वेरी गुड. टेबल नंबर 8 is संदेश. टेबल नंबर 9, टेबल नंबर 9, महाराष्ट्र एंड गुजरात फाइट फॉर मी दैट आई एम देयर. श्रीखंड, श्रीखंड. महाराष्ट्र एंड गुजरात इज ऑलवेज फाइटिंग ओवर श्रीखंड कहाँ का है. ओके, श्रीखंड. ओके, okay, I represent the only South Indian sweet in the list. Paisam. Table number 10 is paisam. Table number 11, I come from Rajasthan. तीज के टाइम बहुत बनती हूँ. No, तीज घेवर, घेवर. Table number 11. Yeah, table number 11. Okay. टेबल नंबर 12, एमपी की स्पेशलिटी है, ग्वालियर इंदौर में बहुत बनता है. गजक, ठंड के टाइम खाते हैं. ओके, आई एम टोल्ड दैट गजक फ्रॉम ग्वालियर एंड एमपी इज सपोज्ड टू बी वेरी नाइस. ओके, टेबल नंबर 13, सिर्फ सर्दियों में बनता है और जब मीठा नहीं तब मुझे सैलेड में खाते हैं. गाजर का हलवा. ओके, कल रात क्या खाया था गोल गोल पूरी जैसा विशाला में? कल मालपुआ खाया था. ओके, सो टेबल नंबर 14 इज मालपुआ. टेबल नंबर 15, ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. खीर के साथ अगर पैर आते हैं तो बंगाली स्वीट का नाम बताए. खीर के साथ जब पैर आते हैं, खीर कदम, खीर कदम. ओके, गुलाब जाम का भाई, काला जामुन. ओके, दैट इज टेबल नंबर 17, काला जामुन. पीपल एट द बैक, they are gathering their teams. जलेबी की बहन, इमरती. ओके, टेबल नंबर 19, आगरे से हूं, पंची ब्रांड का. यस, पेठा. This is table number 19. Okay. मीठी भी हूँ, तीखी भी हूँ, छोटी सी हूँ, लड्डू भी बनते हैं मेरे. मीठी बूंदी. टेबल नंबर 20, मीठी बूंदी. 21, मेरे नाम पे आर्ट है, मेरे नाम में आर्ट है, मेरे नाम में आर्ट है. कलाकंद, कला है ना, वही तो. अच्छा, आइसक्रीम की इंडियन बहन, कुल्फी. टेबल नंबर 22, कुल्फी. टेबल नंबर 22, टेबल नंबर 23, कल चूरमे का क्या खाया था? मोस्ट पॉपुलर, लड्डू, 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 लड्डू. टेबल नंबर 25, टेबल नंबर 24, सॉरी, लखनऊ में रहती है, चावल से बनती है. फिरनी बोलते हैं उसको, फिरनी, फिरनी, खीर की तरह रहती है. एंड टेबल नंबर 5, बासुंदी की बहन, रबड़ी. ओके, okay. Others can then divide themselves. Or I have people sat around. Okay. Halwa 26 if we have. If there are no 10 people at the table, please raise the table. Sir, you can join here. Chenna Payesh can join. Okay. Lavang Latika, spice in my name. 10 people will have Lavang Latika in this unless some... Okay, Chenna Payesh, you can sit here. Rasmalai with them. Rasmalai इनके साथ है. बैठ जाइए. Okay. लवंग सारे एक साथ है, लवंग लतिका. Okay. Coming. Yeah. Lavang Latika is 28. 28. Rasmalai 29 and Pedha 30. You may be less than 10 to a certain tables. We are not all 300 of us. Okay? Which is okay. Better interaction also. Okay? Okay. People sit down. आपको नहीं मिला? टेबल नहीं है तो कुर्सी गोल करके बैठ सकते हैं. पेड़ा आया 30 नंबर है सर. अगर आप अकेले हो, you can join anybody. There are certain slips which did not go, no? So that way. Okay? हाँ, आ जाओ. आप इनको पहचानते हो? नहीं ना? आप बैठ जाइए. Very good. That is, yeah. Table number 1, there is place. Please be seated. Table number 1, there is place. Okay. People, please settle down. May I request everyone to settle down, please? Okay. Okay. Now starts the most difficult task. Table number 1, sir. Okay, we will disperse if the number is not there. Chalo, koi baat nahi. Haan. No, sir, there's place on table number 1. You can go there. Okay. Anybody who has yet to get a table? There? Please come ahead. Or if there is no table, you can just make a circle of chairs. आप उनके साथ जा सकते हैं. Circle. Put chairs in a circle and interact with each other. आपको टेबल मिला सर? आप ये सर. Sir, have a seat here. Okay. Pull up a chair. Yeah. Okay, we will put some more people. Why don't you ask those people over there to come here? Okay, people just sitting extra without anything. Would you like to join at a table, please? Gentlemen, just come this way. No problem. कोई बात नहीं. क्योंकि उतने tables है नहीं. It's okay. Come here, sir. Come. Yeah. You'll need to bring your chairs, please. Okay. There are 2 seats, 3 seats here. There are 3 seats at this table. Yeah. You can sit here. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Does everybody have a table or a chair or something to move with? Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Are we done? Okay. Now what do you need to do? Everybody just needs to give a 10-second intro. We are going to give a 10-second intro. Before that, please number yourselves 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're like 8, exactly half the number. So we will have, okay people, do I have your attention? सबसे पहले हमें introduction देना है only with these 3 points. There is going to be a separate round for specific asked later on. There will be a specific round for specific asks and referrals. Right, Dhwani? Yeah? So that's going to be later. So right now, don't get into any asking or anything like that. Just get the name of the company, and the nature and profession of the industry. That is it. Okay? So we are going to ring a bell. After that, 10 seconds, numbers 1 and 3 will move to the next table. Table number 2. Okay? Table number 2, 1 and 3 will move to table number 4. Table number 3. Table number 3, 1 and 3 will move to table number 4. ऐसे दो लोग करके we will keep moving all along and introducing ourselves. Is that fine? अच्छा, मैं बेल बजाऊंगी. बेल बजाने के बाद हर एक टेबल पे आपका नंबर चूज करो. मैं 1, मैं 2, मैं 3 करके. And then 2 people from one table move to the next table. Right? और वहाँ के लोग last table, can you hear me? You can't hear me now? I think you can. Okay. Why can't they hear me? Right at the back. Why don't you come ahead? Why don't you come ahead? Is this free, sir? Ye free hai? Is this free? Somebody is there. Okay. We will make place for them. Okay. कर देंगे, वो वहाँ अपना ग्रुप करके बैठे, they are not wanting to move now. Okay, please start. You have 10 seconds for your introduction. 10 people, so about a minute plus, 1.5 minute, please. 1.5 minute. Can you keep time for me, please? 1.5 minute. Otherwise, we'll never finish. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. We will be doing this in stages so that we don't have an overload of information coming from everywhere. Okay? Finished? Huh? I'll ring the bell. So you have about 1 minute plus. Yeah? Please start. Your time starts now. Your time starts now. Stick only to your name, name of the company, and the profession or the industry that you are in.